We always work in every product we develop to make it a product that we would first of all use ourselves. When the 2008 housing market collapsed, I was working in the Vegas and California, San Diego area market. I was designing kitchens, mainly for outdoor kitchens for people's backyards. Companies at that time had built up so large that when the market dropped, they were unsustainable and they were going out of business. And I saw a moment for myself that I could come in with a product that would be a very high quality that people would enjoy, but at a very affordable price. We could take the product directly to the market, but without all the additional extra overhead costs. So we moved to Austin at that time. We actually started just in our 2-car garage, and we would get in a car and we would drive all across the country. And it was really just like 2 grills and a sink, and then we had an office with a single bay door and a little office. And it was at that moment that I thought, you know what, this can work. We can do this. From there, we just have nothing but growth and expansion from there. And now at this point, we have a beautiful showroom, large offices, extensively huge inventory, and it just keeps growing by leaps and bounds. And what I enjoy seeing flourishing out of all of our years of work is where we have now such a great dynamic team. Everyone is very committed in their individual roles and their expertise. We always work in every product we develop to make it a product that we would first of all use ourselves. And we know that our customer is going to enjoy using that product. It's about commitment to quality and commitment to our customer. So a single misconception that our customers have the most about our products and about our company is they look at us and think, oh, well, we're just a door and component company. Oh, we're just a cabinet company. Oh, we're just a grill company. But in reality, our product line is the largest single product line in the market. We have products for sinks and bar centers and power burners and side burners and grills and charcoal grills and cabinetry, wall cabinets, and no one else can say that. I measure success myself and through others by what we create, and not by value of monetary gain or anything else. The main thing I wanted to do was to create something that was unique and you couldn't find somewhere else. Something that came from within my own creative force. Even if I don't directly get to use them, they bring me a lot of happiness.